gonna be cooking for the whole day. This is why you never cook at home. Now let's make some mojito. My mom has ruined my challenge. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. For those who are new, this is Rashika, and today I'm at home since I'm getting bored and I have literally no work to do and I'm free today. So I have decided that I'm gonna be cooking for the whole day. So let's hope for the best. Hope I don't make any disasters today. I'm gonna be taking a shower. Let's fresh up first and then cook breakfast later. So let's fix this and stay tuned till the end. I'm back from the shower and now I'll be applying some moisturizer and sunscreen. Welcome to Rashika's kitchen, and today we are gonna make some dosa, green dosa, which is made up of milk. Today, and this is the batter, and we have to cut some onions. Let's cut these onions first. Basically, we fill these onions in the middle of dosa, but I don't like that way. I just simply eat the dosa with chutney. And as I'm already late, my mom has already prepared the chutney. खा को बोल कैसा है कि मी बोल मी
ఎలా ఉంది దోశ
బాగుంది अब तक चैलेंज है सो अब तक आप होती थी ना बोला
क्या बोल रहे
हमें चूल्हा में पकाए काली चिमनियाँ पकड़े वो पकड़े करके
होता है बच्चों को हम पहले जाते तो ये पका देते छुट्टी अब यही तो आ जाता हमें पकाते हैं फर्स्ट तवा अच्छा गर्म होना फिर वो आवाज़ आना चीला डाले तो
आवाज़ आया सोचे नहीं चीला डालने का भी आता नहीं क्या मुझे
आने का तो ऐसा उजले चीले में अच्छा कल्ले ला
कि ये उजला काला होता है ग्रीन चीले में भी है
अच्छा पकना वो चीला भी कच्चा कच्चा है तो अच्छा होता है
कच्चा कच्चा क्या आप नहीं ले अब हमें भी कैसे खाते हैं कच्चा है तो
यहाँ पे चारों जगह में
हंसती हूँ मेरे को
जरा एक ग्लास दूध डाल को रत्ती पानी डाल को
I have prepared the dosa. Now my mom is demanding to prepare tea. This is why I never cook at home. I have finally prepared the dosa, and for lunch we are having chicken, and here me searching for some chicken recipes. Let's taste this. Now let's make some mojito. 10 कितना रेटिंग देते?
मैं क्या भी दे
बोला रेडी.
किती होणार तो झाले
बोलो
7
7. तू इथे येते मी रेटिंग बोला.
2,000 years later.
I just took the nap and I woke up to see that my mom has ruined my challenge, as I was the one who will be cooking for the whole day, but she had some other plans and she is already cooking something. This is the current situation, guys. My mom, as tomorrow is Eid, we have this ritual to cook some food and distribute in the neighborhood. And she also prepared some dessert, guys. This is bread halwa. Hi, finally, that's for today, and I'm done for the day. And it was literally too good spending time with my mom, and also all the drama, the basic drama in every Indian house, that you should learn how to cook. What if you don't know how to cook? What you will do in future? All these things. But I felt too good spending time with mom, not just scrolling on my phone for the whole day, which I usually do when I come to home. And that's for today. Thank you for watching till now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye, guys. Good night.